Friends, if you want to invest in crypto, forex, stock market, mutual funds, or commercial real estate, but are confused where to start, then this video is for you. Welcome to TradeMate. Master the market with confidence. TradeMate is a trusted platform that provides you a smart, simplified, and secure way of modern investing. Whether you want to trade in the 24/7 world of crypto, want to enter the multi-trillion-dollar market of forex, or want to invest in mutual funds for long-term wealth, TradeMate is with you at every step. Our vision is to become the most trusted and innovative platform for digital investments, and our mission is to simplify complex trading and investment options for everyone. Meaning, from here you will get real-time insights, secure platform, and personalized support. TradeMate gives you multi-asset access, forex trading, high liquidity global access, and 24/5 trading. 24/7 trading opportunities in crypto trading, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many altcoins. Investment in stock market, global exchanges like NYSE, NASDAQ, and SE/BSE. Mutual funds, diversified portfolio, professional management, and low-risk options. Commercial real estate, stable income, and long-term growth potential. Here you get 7 amazing income sources: welcome bonus, referral income, trading profit income, direct income, level income per day, team performance reward, salary income. That is, not only trading, you can earn in multiple ways from here. As soon as you join, you will get a welcome bonus of $2, which you will get for 200 days at the rate of 1 cent per day. That is, your earning journey will start as soon as you join. If you refer someone and he registers successfully, you will get 50 cents in your promotional wallet. Also, when you activate your ID, you will get 10% of the activation amount in the promotional wallet balance, which will be distributed in 200 days. But remember, the ID has to be activated within 72 hours of registration. TradeMate has 4 investment packages according to your budget and target. The first is Silver Package, joining amount $5 to $200, trading profit 1% to 1.5% daily. And for Gold Package Upgrade, you need 5 direct and 15 team members from 2nd to 6th levels. Next is Gold Package, joining amount $201 to $5,000, trading profit 1.5% to 2% daily. For Platinum Package Upgrade, you need 10 direct and 45 team members from 2nd to 6th levels. If you want to earn higher, then choose Platinum Package, joining amount $5,001 to $40,000, trading profit 2% to 2.5% daily. Diamond Package Upgrade requires 15 direct and 200 team members from 2nd to 6th levels. And the most premium is Diamond Package, joining amount $40,001 to $100,000, trading profit 2.5% to 4% daily. That means maximum profit potential is in this. Capital withdrawal is possible anytime in the first month. The income potential of working members is 4x and that of non-working members is 2x. Here you get direct income, 4% on first-time deposit, 1% on second or next deposit. That means you will get an opportunity to earn every time your direct members deposit. The more your team grows, the more your daily income will increase. Earnings from level 1 to level 15, 6% from level 1. To get this level of income, you will have to do 1 direct, 3% from level 2, and you will have to do 1 direct, 2% from level 3, and you will have to do 1 direct, 1% from level 4, and you will have to do 1 direct, 1% from level 5, and you will have to do 1 direct. To get 1% income from level 6 and level 7, you will have to do 1 direct. To get 1% income from level 8 and level 9, you will have to do 1 direct, 0.5% from level 10 and level 11, you will have to do 1 direct, 0.5% from level 12 and level 13, you will have to do 1 direct, 0.5% from level 14 and level 15, you will have to do 1 direct. You have to do this. 20% of whatever trading profit is generated will be distributed here. Build a strong team and get extra rewards. $5 from 50 members, $15 from 150 members, $45 from 450 members, $135 from 1350 members, $400 from 4050 members, $800 from 8100 members. Only 5 direct rewards are compulsory for these rewards. Friends, now I am going to tell you about TradeMate's monthly salary plan, in which you get fixed salary based only on team business. When you have a business of $300 at level 1, business of $1,000 at level 2, and business of $2,000 at level 3, then your rank becomes 1 star. And you get a monthly salary of $50, which you will get every month for 3 months. If you have a business of $600 at level 1, business of $2,000 at level 2, and business of $4,000 at level 3, then you become a 2-star. And here your monthly salary becomes $80, which you will get every month for 4 months. When you have business of $1,200 at level 1, business of $4,000 at level 2, and business of $8,000 at level 3, then you reach the 3-star rank. At this rank, you get a monthly salary of $130 every month for 5 months. If you have a business of $2,500 at level 1, business of $8,000 at level 2, and business of $16,000 at level 3, then you become a 4-star. At this, your salary becomes $200, which you will get every month for 6 months. And the top rank is 5-star. When you have business of $5,000 at level 1, $16,000 at level 2, and $32,000 at level 3, you get a monthly salary of $300 for the entire 9 months. And 5 directs are compulsory to get salary. There are some special conditions of AI bot trading. Bot on off timing 12 p.m. to 9 a.m. AI bot trading Monday to Friday. Every month only $1 charge on each ID package, and yes, trading profit will also be generated from Monday to Friday. TradeMate's exclusive Zero to Hero Club will start only when the company reaches 10,000 members. So the sooner we hit 10K, the sooner this revolution will start. Share, invite, and become a hero. Registration is absolutely free. Minimum withdrawal will be $5. Deposit and withdrawal will be done only in USDT BEP20. Withdrawal timing 24/7 available. Settlement will be done in 1 hour to 48 hours, 24/7 customer support available. Deduction on withdrawal will be according to your directs. 10% deduction on 0 direct, 8% deduction on 2 direct, 6% deduction on 4 direct, 5% deduction on 6 direct. The company is led by 3 powerful leaders. MD Chase Dux, expert in global marketing strategies and export growth. Steve Cohen, mastermind in hedge fund success. David Tepper, expert in deep value investment strategies and market foresight. Their expertise and vision have given TradeMate a strong position in the financial trading industry. So friends, this was the complete overview of TradeMate, a platform that gives you the opportunity of secure investing, multiple income streams, and long-term growth. If you also want to be a part of this journey, then join and start your story of financial freedom. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so that you get updates on such investment and earning opportunities first.